How much are the strawberries?
$4. But beautiful ladies get a discount.
Oh, thank you. So, how much do I owe you then?
$4.
Wait, where is the discount?
You already got the compliment.
So the compliment was the discount?
Exactly.
That is not a real discount.
These strawberries are already suffering.
Suffering?
Yes, they are waiting to be eaten.
You are a very strange seller.
And you are a very patient customer.
Do bananas also come with compliments?
Only if they behave well. If you buy apples too, I can give you a second compliment for free.
Wow, such generosity.
I am basically losing money today.